So Bitcoin is in a consolidation period right now. It is, in essence, going sideways. It's been consolidating now for a little bit. And if we take a look at that, I mean, this is kind of a really good visual of it. And where between the yellow lines, you can see that we've been in this consolidation range. You can see that. And it's really been going on since about the end of May. So we're coming up on a May to June, July, a 2-month consolidation period. Now, this is actually not what I wanted to share with you and what I wanted to convey to you in this video. The title of the video is if you don't see what's going on with Bitcoin, you're either blind or really not paying attention. And I don't mean that title to be any type of an insult to you. It was simply meant to grab your attention, to share with you something that is happening, that is playing out in the Bitcoin arena. Okay. And so number one, and this is actually one thing, I've covered this in a video, there's less than 15% of Bitcoin left on crypto exchanges, which signaling a supply problem. We have a supply shock coming for Bitcoin. Why? Because right there, 15% of Bitcoin left on crypto exchange. This is the lowest level of Bitcoin on exchanges in 7 years, the lowest level. Now, this is one facet of why or what I wanted to share with you in this video. So what I wanted to share with you is this. Similar Scientific acquires 187 more Bitcoin for 20 million, increasing its total holdings to 4,636. Example one. Example two, Metaplanet has expanded its Bitcoin holdings, buying an additional $238 million worth. Okay, $238 million. Why am I sharing this with you? What is happening is quietly, Bitcoin is being bought. It's being bought by major companies and being held. Why is it being held? Because they believe that the value of that asset, Bitcoin, is going to dramatically go up over time. Okay. And this is just two examples. And remember, Bitcoin is at an all-time low on exchanges, 7-year low. If you look at the narrative and you look at everything and you look at all of the pieces that are out there and you simply put those pieces together, and this is just a couple of small examples. I'm not talking about strategic reserves. I'm not talking about all of the clarity and genius Bitcoin bills that are coming out later this month, that will be announced, and kind of we'll start to see all that play out. My point to you is that we have adoption of Bitcoin and crypto coming in traditional finance, and coming where you see companies buying and holding this asset. And if you're waiting for a sign, like literally a sign in your front yard, I'm trying to give it to you. I'm trying to convey to you that Bitcoin and crypto is being quietly bought. And by the way, these are just companies that are making the announcement. There are companies out there that are out there quietly buying it and not even telling anybody that they're buying it, because they don't really want to divulge their numbers and things like that. Bitcoin is going to become one of the most rarest assets on the planet, period. And if you're waiting for the signs are all around you. And that's all I really wanted to convey to you. I just wanted to give you that edification and that poke, if you will, right? Poke you with a stick, right? To maybe wake you up that if you're going to buy more, maybe you should. Again, not investing advice. Hold what you have. Don't sell it. Again, not investing advice, right? You have to do what's right for you. But I just wanted to share this with you. I saw those two articles about these companies buying it, and it's just two small examples, right? And then you couple that with Bitcoin continues to drop as far as how much is on exchanges. What does that mean? It means it's being bought up. It means that there's a supply shock coming. What is a supply shock? Well, you have a supply problem. If you have a supply problem, meaning there's not enough supply, what's going to happen to the existing supply or the price? It's going to go up. Add to that, everybody, even the bears, begrudgingly admit, and everybody acknowledges that the fourth quarter of 2025, we've got a pretty significant bull run coming where we're going to see Bitcoin go probably between $130,000 and $200,000 plus. That's all on its way. I just want you to see what's happening. That's my goal, right? Okay. Thank you for your time. I appreciate you giving me a few minutes. Just want to let you guys know that. Have a good one. See you.